What's up, everybody? The Drop Nipple Ratchet by Argco, so you can remove heads from a hard lid sealant without cutting a hole. So everyone now, they want to change the semi-recessed to concealed, you got to pull the drop and cut it back. And you don't want to cut the customer sealant open, right? So pull your head, drain your water. That will hold you in there. You'll be able to pull your drop. Right? Cut it back. So I guess the one dilemma would be if your RC comes off, then you're still going to cut the sheetrock open, right? But if it stays together, you're able to remove this whole thing through the ceiling.
Or you can put super dope on it and come back the next day.
Right? Ratchets. Crank her back in. Then you'll be able to install your concealed head without cutting the sheetrock open. I'm sure some people have seen a homemade version of these, no? Anybody seen a homemade one? So this is just an innovative tool. Argco seen that there was a need for it, and they created one, so you don't have to make a homemade one. Comes in this cool little case. It also comes with, you know, all the different sizes for every RC, because you know a lot of the RCs are different, and that is super easy to change out. Pops right out. It's got a little thumb bolt. It's called a thumb bolt because we only put our thumb on it, right? Thanks, guys.